John from Katy has lumpy floors.
They're under his carpet. I hear lumpy floors. You know, I think of lumpy on what was that? Leave It to Beaver.
That's right.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. If
Maybe lumpy's under the carpet.
If you're under 50, just go Google that. Okay.
John
50. Writes to us. We've lived in our 40-year-old Katy area home for about 23 years. Our first floor carpeting was new when we moved in 23 years ago, and always had a few lumps under it. We figured it was just bunched up mat or something, but over the last year, we're feeling more bumps, all seemingly very hard, and wonder if this could be efflorescence. Tom, John wants to know what you think.
I guess it could be. I don't know until you take the carpet up.
There's really no option to
and take a look at it. So I know you can't do it through. You could get those X-ray glasses like when we were kids.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
That doesn't work.
Or
you're going to have
Ovaltine decoder ring too.
Yes, drink more Ovaltine. The bottom line is this: you have to look to see what it is, and if it is, then you'll have to deal with it the best you can. Why it would be happening under carpet is it would be an odd situation unless, being an older home, maybe you have an underground plumbing break or something, and you have a high moisture content in that area. So that's what you have to be concerned about. But don't think it's something until you know it's something.
When we bought the building from which we broadcast here, we had lumpy carpet too. And when they pulled it up, and I'm saying John's got 23-year-old carpet, all right? When we pulled it up, it was exactly that. The humidity had gotten into the pad in places and swelled it in places, and that's all it was, because they used a cheap residential pad instead of a good commercial one. And I'm thinking you're residential, and you probably have a residential pad, and
it has a lot to do with your air conditioning system. If you leave your windows open, if it's next to a wall where you have bad yard drainage, there's a lot of different factors in all of this. But you won't know if it's efflorescence until you look.
Right, and hopefully it's not. That would be ooey.
Actually, it'd be easy to deal with. You'll have probably carpet's time for it to go anyway.
You put like an epoxy finish on the floor.
Yeah, you give it an acid wash. You can just paint it in the areas that are real bad. Just throw some more latex paint down and then put some new carpet down.
But you have to pull up that 23-year-old carpet.
Oh, I think it's history.
I'm thinking it's time. All right.
And you know what? Probably not the carpet, it's the pad, but I don't know if you really want to just relay old carpet like that.
Just call Jason over at Texas Floors. He'll hook you up. He'll take care of you. All right. You got a question, send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form, friends. We'll answer it like we did these videos over here, and be a friend and like our channel.